I'm here with Cynthia. Can you describe a little bit about Pin the Location booth and what we're doing here?
So Pin the Location's a little bit like a play on Pin the Tail and the Donkey. So we have a map of Taiwan with various cities, national park locations on the map. We also have some fun fact sheets for people to read and learn a little bit more about Taiwan. And then we'll have them draw a city or a national park strip of paper, and they have to get blindfolded, spun around, and try and pin a little post-it on the correct location. So it's kind of a way to have fun, but also learn a little bit about Taiwan.
Very cool. Is this your first year doing the festival?
No, it's not.
How long have you been doing it?
On and off since about 2009, I think.
Wow, that's a long time, almost a decade.
Yeah.
What brings you back to the festival? I mean, like, what do you enjoy about it?
I'm part of the youth camp community in the Bay Area, so I help run or am part of staff on a youth camp, and we typically help run the activities booth because a lot of these are very similar to night market games that we have at our camp. So it's kind of coming back and kind of teaching people about Taiwan.
That's very interesting. So there's a Taiwanese youth camp in San Francisco. Like, what time frames do you guys run in if someone's interested in joining?
Our camp is typically late June, about the third week of June. We'll go to a campsite that is either in the Bay Area, or this year it's actually in Lake Tahoe. So it's a really beautiful campsite. I believe registration's open for a little bit longer. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. Last question. When you go back to Taiwan, what's the first thing you got to eat when you land?
Ooh. I think salbing yotia.
That's a good answer. Thank you.